So the Tronsmart T8 Mini is a bit of a disappointing speaker. And I now understand again why Tronsmart stopped sending speakers after the V-Tune X30. Because this one I bought myself, and I can definitely say that the design has done very well. Really, it looks nice. Even the persuaders with this gold look do give the more premium look. But the build quality is also pretty nicely done. But when we talk about the sound, which is pretty important for a Bluetooth speaker, it's pretty bad. It's pretty similar to the Stormbox Mini Plus. That speaker has the speakers on the sides. This one has it on the top. And on the top, it's even worse, I would say, in most scenarios. This driver has no light clarity. It's pretty muffled sound. Even with the custom EQ, you do hear that the hardware is just too limited. And it's really sad because the bass side is where the speaker actually does pretty well. The persuader is going crazy, but there is even some bass levels for a small speaker. But it's definitely clear that an Xiaomi Sound outdoor speaker, a 30-watt speaker, but even the Tozo PA1 are just better choices. They are also pretty small, but they do perform a lot better in audio performance. And yes, the Tozo is not the best in bass for sure, but it has much more clarity, it has much better dynamics in the sound. So without further ado, here are a few audio samples of this Tronsmart, so you can see yourself a bit how the speaker really performs.
Yeah.